How to set up trusts online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Setting up a trust online is faster than traditional methods, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost thousands. The surprising truth is that a few small errors can undermine your entire plan. The first mistake is not defining the trust type clearly. Revocable, irrevocable, and special needs trusts each serve different purposes. Choosing the wrong type can impact taxes, control, and asset protection. Know your goal before starting. Another common error is failing to fund the trust. Creating a trust without transferring assets into it defeats the purpose. All property, accounts, or investments intended for the trust must be legally titled in its name. Many people also skip naming a reliable trustee. A trustee manages the trust, and selecting someone inexperienced or untrustworthy can create legal and financial problems. Consider a professional trustee if needed. A surprising mistake is not understanding tax implications. Some trusts affect estate, income, or gift taxes differently. Online platforms often provide general guidance, but consulting a tax professional ensures compliance. Finally, beginners neglect regular updates. Life events like marriage, divorce, or new children require adjustments to trustees, beneficiaries, and assets. Without updates, your trust may not reflect your current wishes. To properly set up trusts online, choose the right trust type, fund it completely, select a competent trustee, understand taxes, and update regularly. Following these steps protects your assets and ensures your trust achieves its intended purpose.